Welcome to Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects, where we do projects and maintenance at home that even an average Joe can accomplish. In today's episode, we're going to replace this old crusty dog door that goes from the outside into our garage. Max should appreciate it. He's had the same one for the last few years. We're going to do it with this one, the Designer Series Ideal Pet Products Plastic Pet Door. Flap size 10.5 by 15. Let's do it. I just want to mention as I unbox this new door that it's nice that I don't have to cut a hole in the door. If you do have to cut a hole or enlarge one, I suggest using the supplied template most doors include with their product. Start by drilling a large hole in each corner of the rectangle and then using a jigsaw or sawzall to cut the section out. This new door comes with just 4 parts: the frame with the flap installed, the outside frame, a slide-in blocking piece to secure the door, and a small bag of screws. The removal of the old door is pretty simple. Just remove the 6 Phillips head screws that hold it all together. You're going to find it's pretty dirty underneath the old door frame. So I went ahead and vacuumed it out and gave it a good cleaning before I installed the new one. Okay. I realize that my door frame needs a good sanding and paint, but that's a project for another day. Alright, so at this point, I'm feeling pretty good. I got the outside frame that's just going to slot right in the hole, no problem. And I should just be able to put the other side up there, sink the screws, and everything should go exactly as planned. I should have known better though, and realized that there was going to be some kind of misstep along the way. Just turned out it was as I pushed the other frame in, it pushed the other side of the frame out. I eventually got it seated in there though, and I left all this video in there for you to enjoy. Alright, now that I've got it in there, it should be pretty simple. Just 6 screws, 2 in each corner, top and bottom, and then 2 in the middle, and we should be set. Here's the slide-in security piece in case you ever want to use it. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but definitely does the job. So here it is. Max has a new fresh dog door to replace our old broken one. If you enjoyed this project, please check out our other projects on Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects. And please like and subscribe for future projects.